Example number 5, beam subjected to a uniformly varying load. Dalawang solutions tayo para sa problem na to. Solution 1 is we use area moment. Okay, mag-assume muna tayo ng reactions. Assume that AY and BY are both upward. Then to solve for AY, we take moment at B. So moment left equals moment right. So at point B, the moment left is, due to AY upward, the moment is positive and the lever arm is L. And due to this distributed load, which is downward, so negative, the total load is 1/2 LWO times its lever arm from right is 1/3 of L. So L over 3. Then equals moment right of B, which is equal to 0. So that AY is equal to WOL over 6. Positive meaning our assumption is correct, no? The direction is upward. Then to solve for BY, we take moment about A. So moment left equals moment right. At point A, moment left is 0 equal to right of A. Due to BY upward, the moment is positive, the lever arm is L, and due to the uniform load downward negative moment, the total load is 1/2 LWO, and the lever arm from left is 2/3 of L. Okay, then BY is equal to WOL over 3. Positive meaning upward, the assumption is correct. Ngayong meron na tayong reactions, the next step is we draw the moment by parts. So magiging simple ang moment by parts sa problem natin kung ang reference natin ay point B. So we draw the moment by parts at point B. So at point B, dalawa ang magkakos ng moment. The reaction at A and the triangular load. So due to the reaction at A, the moment by parts diagram is triangular. And the moment is WL over 6 times L, or simply WOL square over 6. And due to the triangular load, the moment by parts diagram is 3rd degree, starting from the tip of the triangle and terminating at B. So kapag triangular yung load, the degree is 3rd degree. And the moment is, the total load is 1/2 LWO, and its lever arm from right is 1/3 of L, or simply WOL square over 6. Then next, we solve for the areas. So for the triangle, the area is 1/2, the base is L, the height is WOL square over 6, simplifying, WOL cube over 12. Then for the 3rd degree spandrel, the area is 1/4. Kapag 3rd degree na, the area is 1/4 times the base L times the height WL square over 6. So the area is WOL cube over 24. Next is we solve for the parameters 6A over L and 6AB over L. So for the parameter AA, area times lever arm from left. So for this triangle, the area is positive, WL cube over 12, and its lever arm from left is 2/3 of L. For the spandrel, the area is negative, WL cube over 24, and its lever arm from left is, so kapag 3rd degree, yung distance galing sa kanan is 1/5 of L, So yung kabila naman is 4/5 of L. So the lever arm from left is 4/5 of L. Then simplifying, WO L raised to 4 over 45. So multiply the result by 6 over L. We obtain 2 over 15 WO L cube. So ito yung formula for 6AA over L ng triangular load. The next, for the parameter AB, area times lever arm from right. So for the triangle, the area is positive WL cube over 12, and its lever arm from right is L over 3. For the spandrel, the area is negative WL cube over 24, and its lever arm from right is L over 5. Simplifying, 7 over 360 WL cube, L raised to 4. Then multiply the result by 6, divide by L. We obtain 7 over 60 WOL cube. So ito yung formula para sa 6AB ng triangular load. Okay, solution 2 is integration. So, kuha tayo ng strip. Then the magnitude of the load is W, which is variable, and we choose, say, point A as our reference. So from point A up to the strip, the distance is X. So yung W is variable since X is variable. Okay. Then the differential load, concentrated load, is W dx. Then by ratio and proportion, W over X equals WO over the length. So that the variable load W equals WO X over L. So the differential load is W dx, then substituting W, so WO X over L, and then dx. So yan na ngayon yung ating differential load, no? So yung ating differential load dP now becomes WOX over L dx. So ngayon meron na tayong concentrated load, then applicable na yung formula for 6AA over L for concentrated load, ano? So yung distance A is X, and the distance B is L minus X. So for the formula 6A over L for concentrated load, PA over L, L square minus A square, we substitute the given data. So the load P is WOX over L dx. The distance A is X, then over L, then L square minus A square. Then we integrate. Okay, extremities ng ating loading is from left to right. So kapag si strip ay nasa kaliwa, then the distance of the strip from point A is 0. So that will be our lower limit. So for the upper limit, at point B, kapag si strip ay nasa point B, then the distance of the strip from our reference A is L. So the upper limit is L. Okay, so integrate natin manually, na. So simplify, so WOL square, integrate from 0 to L. Distribute natin yung X square sa loob ng parenthesis. So magiging L square X square minus X raised to 4, and then quantity dx. Then integrate WOL square. So L square X cube over 3 minus x5 over 5 limits from 0 to L. Then substitute L for x. So L squared, L cubed is L raised to 5, then over 3, then minus L raised to 5 over 5. Then simplify. We have 2 over 15 WO L cubed. So yan na yung formula. So for a concentrated load, the formula for 6AB over L is PB over L, L square minus B square. So substitute yung ating mga data. So the load P is WOX over L dx. The distance B is L minus X. Then over L. Then L square minus B square. Integrate limits from 0 to L. Simplify. So distribute natin yung x dito. So magiging Lx minus x square. Then simplify ito. So L square minus L square, then plus 2Lx minus x square. So cancel. Then simplify further. Distribute natin yung Lx sa loob ng parenthesis na ito. So 2Lx times Lx is 2L square x square. Then minus x square times Lx is Lx cubed. Then distribute negative x square sa second parenthesis. So minus 2Lx cubed. Then plus x raised to 4. Then simplify. So 2L square x square minus 3 Lx cubed plus x raised to 4 and then dx. Then integrate. So 2L square x cubed over 3 minus 3Lx4 over 4 plus x5 over 5 limits from 0 to L. Substitute natin yung L kay x. So 2L square L cube is 2L raised to 5 over 3, then minus 3L L raised to 4 over 4 is 3L raised to 5 over 4, then plus L raised to 5 over 5. Then simplify, we obtain 7 over 60 WOL cube. Okay. Ito na yung formulas na na-derive natin. So kapag ang load ay triangular and yung altitude ay nasa kanan, so ito nga yung formula. Then kapag naman na baligtad nyo, yung altitude ay napunta sa kaliwa, then magkakabaligtad lang yung dalawang formulas na. So ito na yung mangyayari na. Then in case na ang direction ng load ay nabaligtad, naging upward, then ito pa rin naman yung mga formulas pero magiging negative lang yung mga signs.